Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AGRUOO portable 4-in-1 tire inflator and jump starter with air compressor. There are features include: never wait for roadside rescue again, safely jump start your dead car battery in seconds with 4000 amp peak current, compatible with all 12-volt vehicles including all gasoline and 8.0L diesel engines. Works reliably even in extreme cold from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for daily commutes, winter road trips and unexpected breakdowns. No more waiting hours for towing services. Keep your tires properly inflated anytime. Built-in 150 psi cordless tire inflator with preset pressure and auto shut-off, inflates car tires from 30 to 35 psi in just 1 minute. Comes with 3 nozzles for cars, motorcycles, bikes, SUVs, sports balls and more, helping you maintain safe tire pressure and reduce roadside risks. All-in-one emergency power and lighting. This 15,000 mAh portable power bank with Type-C fast charge keeps your phone, tablet, and other devices powered up on the go. The 400 lumen LED light has 4 modes: steady white, blue strobe, red strobe, for night repairs, camping trips, and SOS emergencies. Safe and easy for beginners to use, intelligent protection system prevents reverse polarity, overcurrent, overheating and short circuits, with V0 fireproof material for added safety. The smart jump clamps connect securely without sparks, so even new drivers can start their car in seconds with no experience needed. Compact portable design and thoughtful gift. At 7.1 x 5.1 x 2.3 inches and 2.54 pounds, this compact jump starter fits easily in your car glove box or trunk. It's a practical, meaningful gift for husband, dad, or any driver, delivering safety and peace of mind for every road trip and daily drive. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.